Hey guys, then here. So I'm going to show you how to support me or the other artists in this competition called DEMOVNICA FM. It's a competition of our well-known radio FM. They are supporting artists. We can send them our songs, and there's a voting each week. And the most supported songs are being played in radio. The last three places are not being played anymore. So the first seven places are counting, and if I'll stay in the first seven places, then I'll just keep myself in the routing. Why I'm doing this video? I received some questions like Daniel, how it's done. If it is Daniel, how it's done? It's in Slovak language. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. I'm going to show you how it's done. It's very easy, and many thanks for your support. So there it says prihlásiť sa, so we just need to really sign in, and there it says hlasuj, which means voting. So vote for that song. You have only one vote. Okay, first things first, you need to go to www.demovnica.sk, so you are on that page. Okay, so let's sign in. So you can choose Facebook or Gmail. It should be totally the same steps. It just sign you in automatically. So I am choosing Gmail now. Okay, so there's my Gmail, and that's it. So I'm signed in. So the sign in column disappeared, and so it says you have only one vote for one song. So really bear in mind. So you need to choose carefully. Yeah. So you can search, for example, for me and my song The Best of Myself. As you see, so far I've got 33 votes, and it's amazing for me. So if you click there on vote, your vote is mine. Yeah. So if you click on other artists, the vote goes to them. So very easy. Yeah. Now you will see how I'm going to vote for myself, because I think it's needed to support myself also. um, when I am not in the competition, I am supporting also the others, because I really like this competition. Okay, so let's just do this. So I click on Hlasuj, and that's it. It says, thank you for your vote. You can share it. You can ask anyone to vote for any band or for any artist. So guys, thank you really so much, because it really means a lot to me. And I really needed the support, because I was an artist without the support. And what I want to say is, you also have my support. So if there's anything I can help you with, it's either with music or some support from friend needed, let me know. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And I think that's it for this video. So have a wonderful day. Bye.